Guys, we're gonna make a quick and easy breakfast sandwich, all in my Ninja Foodi Grill, coming up.
This is Cooking with CJ, the show about cooking, drinking, barbecue, and all the other stuff that goes along with it. I am not a chef, I am not a bartender, I am not a pit master, but I play all three on TV. I'm gonna show you how to make quick, easy, tasty recipes and have a little bit of fun along the way. So let's get this party started.
What's up, everybody? Welcome to Cooking with CJ. I'm CJ, and if you're a returning subscriber, part of CJ's crew, hey, you know I love ya. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that red subscribe button, and of course that bell next to it. Be part of that bell squad, I guess they call it nowadays. Get the alerts on all what we're doing. So what are we doing today? We are going to make just a quick, easy breakfast sandwich on the Ninja Foodi Grill. Simple, 5-minute tops. It's gonna be awesome. All right. All we have is some smoked sausage, a couple English muffins, a couple eggs, and you know I gotta have the American cheese on there. Okay. What?
I said, ugh.
The peanut gallery's back.
It's not even cheese.
It is cheese product. Okay. Like I said, this is gonna be a fun one, easy one. Dude, seriously, you're gonna want to do this. Okay. So come on back. We'll be on the Ninja Foodi Grill station, aka the kitchen island, and we'll get this thing going. Okay, guys, we're over here on the Ninja Foodi Grill station. We're going to cut up our sausage, nice little chunks. Wonder how many people are like watching this and going, ow, ow.
You're murdering a sausage?
I'm murdering a sausage. All the men are crossing their legs as they watch this. The first batch, you know, we're gonna make the sandwich first, and then I'm gonna cook the rest of the sausage after I get done with the sandwich. So that's why I'm cutting them all up right now. Cross them legs, fellas. All right. So we're gonna cook these quadrants. We'll put these ones over here. Just get our eggs ready to be cracked. Just put them on a flat surface. I want the yolk in there, so be careful as you crack them. Get one more in there. Now you could spray the inside of this pan if you want, but it's non-stick, so really shouldn't be a problem. All right, so we're gonna grill everything on here in the grill plate. Okay, eggs gonna go over there, sausage over there, 2 pieces of the English muffin right there. Okay, I'm gonna grill on medium. Oops, helps to turn it on. Grill on medium, so it's 450. Hit start. Let it come up to temperature, preheat, and then we'll get the things going. All right, we are preheated. We got our eggs in. Add these sausages. And then I have these buttered English muffins. Let it cook for 5 minutes. Alright guys, we're done. 5 minutes in. Get our English muffins out. It's pretty good. And add a slice of cheese on both sides of. There we go. Getting nice grill marks. Our sausages are kind of curled up. That's okay. Alright, this is done. Get that out. Let's get these eggs out. Whoa, look how it just flops on there. That's 2 eggs. That moved over just a tad bit. Don't forget to use protection when you're pulling these out. Yeah, that sounds horrible. Don't forget to use protection against the heat of. You get the point. I'm actually gonna cut these up a little bit. When curled up like this, it's not going to sit very well on there. Just use those two. Put these aside. Get this thing put together now. Alright, there's how we're looking. Alright, I'm going to cut this up, get it ready for the taste test. Come on back. Okay, let's cut into this bad boy. Go. Pretty dang good. I think the 5 minutes was probably a little too long to get runny yolks. But it is what it is. It's still gonna be tasting dang good. All right, guys, we are back. We are back. We're taking the thumbnail. We're about ready to take a bite of our wonderful little sandwich here. So I did it for 5 minutes. If you want a runny yolk in your eggs, you could probably go 3.5, 4 minutes, and then you'll have your runny yolk. So it's up to you if you like, runny yolk or not. No big deal. So let's take a big old bite of this. This looks amazing. Uh-huh. Mm-hmm. 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 Oh my gosh, guys, that's amazing. You're gonna love it. You gotta do it. Do it today, do it, tomorrow, next day, I don't know, whatever. Make sure you do it. Comment down below and tell me what you'd add to this breakfast sandwich. If you guys want to get yourself one of the new, want to get one of them nudies.
What the hell are you selling?
If you want to get yourself a Ninja Foodi Grill, link down below. It's to my Amazon store. Doesn't cost you anything more to buy it through there, but the channel gets a little kickback. And I do mean little. Anyway, you want to get some Cooking with CJ merch down below. You think you're cool enough to rock one of these hats? There's a link down below for that too. Alright, if you want to become a producer of the show, click on this Patreon link. Get your little background, little extra stuff.
Sorry.
Get a little extra stuff we do, okay? You get the peanut gallery just for free.
Yeah, that's a free.
That comes for free.
Yeah.
Alright guys, I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful week. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you for cooking with CJ. Take care.